The pentagram, a geometric figure with 5 straight lines intersecting to form a star, dates back to 3500 BC, where it was first seen in Mesopotamian writings. For the ancient Greeks, the pentagram was a secret sign of the Pythagorean cult, symbolizing health and light. Fast forward a few centuries, and early Christians used the pentagram to represent the 5 wounds of Christ. But what of the pentagram today? In modern use, the symbol is most commonly associated with Wicca, neo-paganism, and witchcraft. It symbolizes the 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water, with the 5th point representing the spirit. It's often used as a protective symbol or a tool in spiritual rituals and magic. So, how does one use a pentagram? In Wiccan and other pagan practices, the pentagram is often drawn or inscribed on ritual tools, or used to draw a circle in the air during rites and ceremonies. It's not just a simple doodle, but a powerful symbol that focuses and directs energy. And here's something you may not know. The orientation of the pentagram also holds meaning. A pentagram with a single point upwards symbolizes the spirit ruling over the elements, representing balance and protection. Flip it, and a dual nature emerges. The 2 points upwards can symbolize a reverence for the horned god, a deity in some pagan religions, but it's also been linked to darker, left-hand path traditions. So, what have we learned today? The pentagram, a star with a story spanning over 5,000 years, has been a symbol of health, divinity, and protection. Today, it's a mainstay in modern pagan and Wiccan practices, serving as a magical tool and protective symbol. Its orientation can alter its meaning, showcasing the duality of human nature and spirituality. Remember, symbols like the pentagram carry the meanings we imbue them with. They are a language without words, carrying whispers of our past and guiding us into the future. The pentagram, with its 5 points and intricate history, is a testament to this silent dialogue between the ages. And perhaps next time you see a pentagram, you'll see more than just a star. You'll see a story, a belief, a symbol of the unseen.